Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today I am going to explain you a very interesting term related to foreign policy and diplomacy, that is Twitter diplomacy. Twitter diplomacy is a kind of diplomacy in which heads of state, leaders of intergovernmental organizations and other diplomats use a social media website called Twitter to conduct diplomatic outreach, to get engaged with other heads of states and to get engaged with the people of other states. Former President Barack Obama is credited as being the first head of the state to establish a Twitter account, originally affiliated with his 2008 presidential campaign on March 5, 2007 as username 8,13,286. He was also the most followed head of the state on Twitter. So what is Twitter diplomacy? Twitter diplomacy is a type of diplomacy in which Twitter is being used as a venue, as a forum to talk with others and to sort out conflicts peacefully and to extend one state's cooperation with another state. Take care. Allah Hafiz.